Hi guys, it's me, Emily from Slime Sisters, and today I will be fidget trading with my sister, Katie.
Hi.
Okay, these are my fidgets. I've got all pineapples, very squishy pineapples, and my sister has none, so I think she would want a pineapple or two, right, Katie?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start placing this mini pineapple squishy right here, and what are you gonna offer for it?
I'm gonna offer a peanut popper and this pink marble and mesh.
Okay, I accept, but just because I'm being kind.
Thanks.
Okay.
Oh no. Do I see an orange pineapple? That thing's legendary. Can I please offer for it?
Okay, but I'm just gonna ask them what they think about it.
Okay.
Guys, should I offer? I don't know if I should. Well, the thing that my sister doesn't know is that it's broken. It is legendary, but it's broken. So, should we try to scam her? I think so. Let's go. Okay, they said yes, but you have to pay a lot for this. This is my favorite pineapple.
Okay. I'll offer this Rubik's Cube, this bike chain, this marble and mesh, this pea popper, these magnets. Is that good?
Actually, no, you have to add. I'm sorry.
I'll add a pop tube, a mini pop tube.
Add.
I'll add a peanut popper.
Add just one more thing.
I'll have to add my Orby stress ball.
Okay, I accept.
You do?
Yeah.
Thanks. Oh my god, yes.
It's broken. Get scammed. No trade backs. Look at her reaction. It's so funny.
I don't want this anymore.
She threw it back at me.